How to get full screen option on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the full screen option in your TikTok account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see update sign here instead of open, you have to update your app. And once you have updated your TikTok app, tap open it. You'll get logged into your TikTok account, and automatically when you play a video, it will show you full screen option. All you have to do is tap onto it and it will play the video in your full screen. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.